Pardot Ninja.
Hi guys, welcome to Pardot Ninja. And for today's video, I will be discussing the newest feature that Pardot is rolling out for the summer 2022 release, which is the email bounce report. Um, Instead of looking at bounced email addresses via individual list email reports, we can now see all bounced email addresses in one place. And the email bounce report contains bounced email addresses from Pardot Classic emails, enhanced emails, automated send, and as well as inbox integrations. So now I will be walking you through on how we can navigate through that new feature. So let's get started. So once we are logged into our Pardot instance, we are presented here in the Pardot dashboards. And yep, so what we have to do here is go into the Pardot Reports tab. And from there, we can expand emails, which I already did. And then in this section in the far left, there are list emails, templates, test, email bounces, and what have you. So we just have to go to or click the email bounces. And from here, we will be presented with what type or how many emails were sent, how many emails were delivered, and how many bounces by type happened. If we scroll down a bit, we will see all the email bounce details, including the prospect name, the email address, company, and also the bounce date and the bounce reason. So I guess that's pretty much it for today's video. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.
Hey guys, thanks for watching that episode. We hope you got a lot of value out of it. Please don't forget to subscribe and engage with the content because a lot of it is driven by you guys, the user. So we need to know your feedback. Cheers.